Babes, some days I don't start with a long to-do list. I just open the blinds, pour me some tea, and let the house tell me exactly what it needs. Today felt like the perfect day to reset the living room, to clear a few surfaces, flip some pillows, and make the space for what's coming next. We're not decorating just yet, but I wanted to put the tree up and light a few candles around the house. Let's start by taking care of this space together, slowly, intentionally, with warmth and heart and grace for whatever gets done today. Hey babes, if you're new here, my name is Megan. I'm a homemaker, a mom, and a lover of all things cozy, calm, and candlelit. Around here, we tidy slowly, decorate seasonally, and celebrate the little things. Now let's jump right into it. Today I had a busy schedule, so I didn't get around to actually tidying up this space until about 5:30. And I always feel like the day truly starts when the blinds are open and the lights come into the home, even if it's just a slow day at home. Have you tidied up that one space in your home today? If not, babe, this is your sign. Get up, get moving. I'm here to inspire and motivate. So let's do it all together.
You pulling me closer, but don't waste your time. Don't have any time for all your empty lies. I used to think that you were only mine.
Room was a little chaotic today. Not messy, just in the need of a little love. So if that's some motivation you need, we gonna do this all together today. I started with the couch, fixing the cushions, fluffing everything back into place. There was a few crumbs tucked into my couch, of course. So I pulled out my vacuum and I gave it a good clean. And those little details that makes a space feel fresh again is a must.
These tears away. No time for.
I started this little thing last year and I did not keep it going. I am on a mission to build our community. So I used to ask, how was your week? And then I'll tell you how was mine. So babes, how was your week? Let me know in the comments. The good, the bad, the cozy, the chaotic. I love hearing from you all. As for me, it went okay. In the beginning of the week, it was pretty bad. I slept on the couch for 2 days. My head was hurting so bad. My vision, I had blurry eye vision. I can't even say it. um, um, I didn't have to get up at 5 a.m., but I did have to get Gabby to school like at 7 in the morning. So I did have to do that. Usually we're up at 4:30 in the morning every day of the week almost, getting her to practice, and I didn't have to do that. But I got up and went to the chiropractor. I did a few stretches and some exercising to see if it'll make me feel better. But yeah, let me know, how was your week? We're moving to the floors and the coffee table. I had some home good bags still out from earlier today, so I clear all of that. I want to get the end tables wiped down, so I need to clear up everything off this coffee table, wipe those down, and then I have a few pumpkins that I want to move upstairs into my decor closet because I'm not rushing fall, okay? I'm not rushing it out the door just yet. I do want to create space for Christmas to come in just slowly.
Dancing all these tears away. 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 No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these tears away. No time for bad love.
This space, I took away the acorns, but I'm going to leave the figs inside of the bowl. I'm going to use some of this maybe for Christmas. I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. So it's not time to give this rug a deep clean, but we are going to vacuum it. Now, I was vacuuming and I always feel like this room gets an instant refresh every time I do so. I moved the table to clean underneath and the other side. And when I looked over at the fireplace, there was a mess that I didn't even notice earlier. So we're going to get that cleaned as well. I had no idea how that got there, but it gave me a reason to clean it out. Now, I didn't want to fully remove my fall touches just yet. Instead, which I'm going to talk about again with you all, I simplified the space this way. Next week, when I come in here and I decorate, it feels fresh, but I can still enjoy, you know, what's left of the season. So I wanted to enjoy my fall decor a little bit longer, so I went ahead and rearranged the table. I kept the leaves, the pumpkin. I love that little pumpkin I grabbed from Target, and my marble tray that's from Amazon. I adore everything on this table. So we're going to keep that up until next week, and then we'll go ahead and rearrange it into something Christmassy. Right here in this corner, I want to put up our Grand Duchess Christmas tree, but I'm not for sure if it's going to stay because it's so bright. And in here, this is my cozy corner. I wanted to keep this up as well, just for the remainder of this week. It will be coming down next week, so I can go ahead and start decorating for Christmas. Thinking about where to place this Grand Duchess tree, this corner felt right. Even if the lights are a bit brighter than I'd like, the shape is beautiful and it really fills this space. I paused for a tea and motivation moment. Usually my husband and we set the tree up together, but he's away, so I took my time and I did it piece by piece. It's just 7.5 feet tall, but this Grand Duchess tree from Home Depot really is a beauty. Jingle with me, baby. Jingle with me, baby. Jingle with me, baby. You don't have to fluff this tree, but as I found out last year when I got it, that you do have to fluff some of the gaps. Not as much as, your average tree and you have to fluff every section. You don't have to do that with this one, but you do have to go in and straighten up the stems a little bit and make sure you're filling in those gaps. The tree was fluffed and lit. I turned on the fireplace and lit a few candles around the room. I didn't add any ornaments, not just yet. This is just the beginning, y'all. Jingle with me, baby. Jingle with me. Because this is real life, I had laundry waiting. I folded what I could while watching the new Frankenstein movie. I didn't finish everything that I wanted to finish today, but sometimes cozy is just doing what you can and calling it enough. Babes, I thank you for spending this cozy day with me. Come back next week. We'll start decorating the living room, one space at a time, slow and intentionally. If you have not done so already, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And until next time, I love you all so much. Bye.